Somebody's gonna get mad at me for this. Just let me know in the comments like you always do. On to the operating table. Into the burn pile you go. Just kidding. And now we're left with this. What do you think this looks like? Tell me in the comments. Don't go and judge the size of my pencil. It still writes the same as all the others. Even better because I'm using it. Talk about perfection, that's a good cut right there. I bet you can guess what happens next, but you're gonna have to follow me to see part 2.